Dialogue at School is a remarkable project because it starts with peer learning, peer-to-peer learning. We always think that the best way to teach students is have teachers talk at them and students sit passively. And in fact, students learn so much more when they talk to one another. And this is a project which depends on dialogue among students. Students talking to students and learning about one another and learning about the issues of politics, division, hatred, slander, all the problems that young people face in their own lives, they get at through discussion with one another. So a dialogue project that provides role models, that provides a kind of moderator who then oversees and assures that the dialogue is productive and so on. That's a remarkable way to help young people enter the world of citizenship and politics. If we were to ask, where do we want to be with this kind of a project 10 years from now? Where would dialogue be in 10 years? Then I think the answer is we need a lot more, and not just in experimental projects like this, not just in one class, not just in this, but that dialogue becomes a feature of how young people learn, and that it's introduced into every classroom. Back in the 1960s, when we first started talking about civil rights and race and gender in the classroom, you had a gender class, you had a civil rights class. But in fact, you want civil rights and you want gender and racial discussions in every class, in history, in biology, in all those classes. And likewise, dialogue should be a feature of how we teach young people, not just in citizen education, but in all subjects. So I think this project models a version of horizontal learning where students learn from and teach one another under the careful supervision of moderators who can help make the speech and the dialogue productive, and that should be a feature of education generally.